Bullish Aave cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $277.81 and $605.02 by 2030. Market examiners accept Aave could reach $277.81 by 2025. Bearish Aave market cost expectation for 2022 is $49.39. Aave presentation. Aave has become famous as one of the main conventions for decentralized crypto advances consistently. Aave has secured itself as a unique stage that is ceaselessly refreshed and upgraded. Through different administrations, Aave's clients might get in loan an assortment of digital forms of money. Aave is one of the 6 biggest decentralized finance drives, as per DeFi Llama, because of numerous banks securing in their coin. Holders of the Aave token get diminished stage costs, and may likewise involve it as an administration token. What is Aave? Business person Stani Kilichov decided to make his own advance application in 2017 when there weren't any on Ethereum. To empower individuals to loan and acquire Ether, ETH was created. Be that as it may, when the undertaking ventured into a few digital currencies, the moniker was as of now not proper. In September 2018, Kilichov changed the undertaking's name to Aave. In English, the Finnish expression Aave, and that signifies phantom, represents the stage's objective of fostering an open, straightforward framework for decentralized banking. By offering interest, Aave urges its clients to get digital money into liquidity pools. Borrowers can leave the pool, however, a greater measure of security is required. At the end of the day, over-collateralization is the giving of security that is more important than planned misfortunes and default circumstances. You might acquire cash from Aave without giving any security. Clients can get a cryptographic money through a Blaze credit, which should be reimbursed inside a block. With a Blaze credit, borrowers might exploit the different evaluating being given at different trades. To make this strategy as fast and basic as could really be expected, the token was made. Proprietors of Aave might decide on convention changes, including those influencing the principles overseeing the business sectors and how hold monies are dealt with. Aave Essential Examination. Stani Kilichov laid out the Swiss firm Aave in 2017. Under the moniker ETH, the organization sold 1 billion Aave, recently known as Loan, in an ICO that earned about $16.2 million. For the Aave group, the excess 300 million Aave units were kept. Aave is constrained by a decentralized organization of PCs utilizing savvy contracts over Ethereum blockchain. Aave, then again, empowers streak advances, which might be allowed immediately and paid with the requirement for insurance. Aave current cost. Aave is as of now worth $61.74 USD. Aave has moved 3.20% as of now with an exchanging volume of $75,312,839. Aave is as of now positioned 50 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $850,999,074 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Aave to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Aave Value Forecast 2022. Aave, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Aave cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $92.60. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $86.43 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Aave is supposed to have a base worth of $74.08. Aave Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Aave cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Aave will before long outperform $154.34. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Aave's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Aave will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $123.47 and a typical exchanging cost of $135.82. Aave Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $216.08 and Aave might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Aave is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $197.56 and a low of $185.21 in 2024. Aave Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Aave effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Aave coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Aave will be green in 2025. The Aave is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $277.81, with a base cost of $246.95 and a typical cost of $259.29. Aave Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Aave cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $321.03 by 2026, with a base cost of $308.68 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Aave has a most extreme value worth of $339.55. Aave Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $382.77. On the off chance that Aave figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $401.29. Neglecting to assemble the help Aave needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $370.42. Aave Value Expectation 2028. While Aave is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $432.16 and a yearly cost close above $463.02 in 2028. Aave Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Aave will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $493.89 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $524.76, averaging out at $506.24. Aave Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Aave cost in 2030 is projected to be $605.02 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $580.32. And DeFi credits have a sizable market, as exhibited by Aave, whose convention is the norm in the area. Regardless of whether the symbolic cost has settled throughout the course of recent months, examiners have noticed that the credit stage's impending objectives could make for a fascinating year. What is the Aave cost today? Today, Aave is exchanging at $61.74 with a complete market capitalization of $850,999,074. Is Aave a wise speculation? Aave ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that Aave is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Aave at any point go? The typical cost of Aave might perhaps reach $86.43 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years,